Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is the UDOT Construction Update. In Tooele County, our crews will close I-80 in both directions at the SR36 interchange on Saturday night. The freeway closure starts at 8 p.m., and we're planning to have all lanes open again by 7 a.m. on Sunday morning. Now, for eastbound drivers, getting around the closure is easy. You'll just get off I-80 and then back on using the ramps at SR36. If you're heading west though, plan an extra 20 minutes for your trip. Westbound drivers will be detoured onto SR36 and SR138 out through Grantsville and then back onto I-80 again. During this closure, we're demolishing the old SR36 bridge over I-80. In Riverdale, northbound I-15 will close for 2 nights this weekend, Friday, November 1st and Saturday, November 2nd. All northbound traffic will be detoured off I-15 at 5600 South and back onto the freeway via I-84. While the northbound lanes are closed, crews will complete the other half of the project to replace a water line under the freeway. Last weekend, we closed the southbound lanes to work on the first half. This is all being done as part of our Express Lanes project, which will widen I-15 and extend the express lanes from Layton Parkway to Riverdale Road. Also in Weber County, SR39 and Ogden Canyon will be closed during the day Sunday from Valley Drive in Ogden to SR158 near Pineview Reservoir. The road will be closed from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. to through traffic while our crews complete maintenance work along the highway prior to winter. As always, remember to travel wise during construction to reduce delays. Do what makes the most sense for you. Work from home, adjust your travel schedule, or take transit. For more information on these and all other UDOT construction projects, please visit our website at udottraffic.utah.gov.